Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's CJ, and I don't know about you, but I'm going crazy in quarantine here, so I figured I'd get out, do a video on how I clean my wheels, and review a new product that I just started using. It's called, by chemical guys, it's called Diablo wheel and tire cleaner. And this stuff's really cool because it's a gel-like substance, which once it gets on the wheels, it stays there, it doesn't dry, it doesn't run. So it really kind of foams up and allows you to really work in the actual wheel and get it super clean. So today I'm going to be cleaning the wheels with a 2-bucket method. Got one bucket that's going to have some of our wheel gel in there, another one for the actual rinsing of the rags, and we're going to apply it using a foam sprayer. So what we want to do is this stuff is diluted 6 to 1. So what we're going to do is I've got about 8 or 9 ounces, probably a little bit more in here, and I'm going to do 2 ounces of this. And I guess it would help if I opened it up. All right, that seems about 2. And what's real important, guys, is when you mix this stuff up, not to shake it. Okay, you don't want to shake it and get all the foam built up inside this this applicator. So what you want to do is you just want to gently kind of swirl it and get it mixed up, you know, so it doesn't go crazy. The other thing is you want to make sure that you've got your dirt traps. I've got 2 buckets here, one from Chemical Guys with my dirt trap that I'm going to be using to rinse my rag, and another one that I bought from Shorehold for my boat. What I like about this is it actually has 2 little pockets in it that are each 3 ounces. So when you're doing the car, for example, and it calls for 3 or 6 ounces or whatever your ounces is, you don't need a measuring cup. You can just actually fill up those things, and you know exactly how much material you're throwing in there. I've got my trusty wash mitt, wheel brush, and the good old red rocket, which is really good to get deep down into the barrel so you can get all that brake dust off the inside of the rim for the barrel. So I'll open this up. I'm going to drop everything in the bucket. But what's nice about this too is it also has a plastic tip and a plastic flap on the inside, so you're not going to scratch anything up. So what we want to do is, you know, you always want to have all your equipment lubricated. So what you want to do is throw another ounce or 2 actually in your bucket. And I'm going to foam that up pretty good. All right, and then we'll use the pump sprayer to apply this all over the wheel. And you guys will see this, it's actually really good. I love this stuff, especially good down here in Florida. All right, so we'll give this a nice generous helping. Get it all inside in the barrel. And one important thing, guys, when you're using anything like this and you're cleaning your wheels, you want to make sure you start from top to bottom. That way you're not bringing the dirt back up with you. All right, so we're going to let that sit for a little bit. That way you guys can see what it actually looks like. How it's sticking on the the wheel pretty good. It will drain. I didn't put too much on there, but you can vary your thicknesses. So the first thing I like to use is the good old Red Rocket to get in there and clean the barrels. So we'll get some foam on there. And like I said, work from the top. Really get in there and scrub. And I don't know if you guys can see, it's already starting to take it off. These things are pretty dirty. And this brush is really good to get in the tight spaces too, in the barrel, behind the caliper. Really does a good job. All right, after that, I like to get my brush in there. Like I said, work from the top, get all the spokes. I really like to put a nice helping on here, but this really gets these things sparkly clean. So once I got that, the final thing I'll do is get in all the little nooks and crannies with my wash mitt. You know, really make sure I'm getting in all the tight spots. But I think you guys will be real happy with this cleaner. I know I am. I put it on a little light today, but normally it goes on a little bit thicker. And we're all said and done. Give it a nice rinse. Put it on the outside. And there you guys have it. Makes it nice and easy, quick work. Diablo wheel gel and tire cleaner from Chemical Guys. Great stuff. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Nice and squeaky clean. So guys, I appreciate you watching. As always, you know, I appreciate all the support. I'll leave a link in the description down below for the tire cleaner. You guys can pick yourselves up some and give it a try and see what you think. I'm going to dry this wheel off. So have a good day. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. And I really appreciate everybody helping me out. I hope you, as always, appreciate it. And stay safe.